Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience with using https://ro.co. Roam Research, accessible via https://ro.co, offers a unique approach to note-taking. It's not just about jotting down information, it's about connecting ideas and building a web of knowledge. This interconnectedness allows for deeper understanding and more effective recall. Roam emphasizes bidirectional linking, meaning you can easily jump between related notes, regardless of where they reside in your database. This facilitates the exploration of concepts from multiple perspectives and fosters serendipitous discoveries. One of the key features of Roam is its graph database structure. This allows for a non-linear organization of information, mimicking the way our brains naturally connect ideas. Instead of rigid folders and files, Roam uses a fluid network of interconnected blocks of text. This allows for greater flexibility and encourages creative thinking. You can easily link ideas, create hierarchies, and visualize connections between concepts. This visual representation of your knowledge base can be invaluable for understanding complex topics and identifying new relationships between ideas. Roam Research also excels at facilitating knowledge synthesis. By linking related notes, you can create a comprehensive overview of a topic, drawing from various sources and perspectives. This allows you to build a deeper understanding of a subject and integrate new information seamlessly into your existing knowledge base. The backlinking feature is particularly useful for this, as it allows you to see all the notes that reference a specific concept. This helps to identify patterns, connections, and potential areas for further exploration. Ultimately, Roam empowers users to move beyond simple note-taking and cultivate a truly interconnected and dynamic knowledge graph. It encourages active learning and fosters a deeper understanding of the information you're working with. So, check it out at https://ro.co and see how it can transform your note-taking workflow.